English in Pashto. You may go. Taso mumkin lalshe ya taso tleshe. We decided to set out. Mung prekla ukla chelalshu. He was poor. He was poor. Khaga gharib o. Khaga gharib o. He was poor. We love to learn. We love to learn. Mungsdakla khwakhau. Come for dinner. Come for dinner. The dodela para rashe. Come for dinner. Don't waste your money. Don't waste mazayagawa. Khpali paise. He is poor. He is poor. Khaga gharib de. Poor means gharib. This mango is large. This mango is large. The lue de. Large lue. My brother was not there. My brother was not there. Zamaror halta. No. The boy is here. Halak daltade. The boy is here. Halak daltade. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. خپل وقت مزای کوي. Waste ضایع کول. You must be quiet. You must be quiet. Quiet خاموشا. تاسو به خاموش اوسئ. Viewers channel subscribe کړئ, like کړئ video او share هم کړئ. Thanks for watching this video.